isa sia bilingi wa mauvo.
Ni watinda musese mwendo wa kalibu ndini wa mesa ya bilingi wa mauvo mdanyani umundi wa katatu wa matuku atatu mwai wa monza nye tawa masi wa kitakanolo kunengelelia mauvo kwanze ya meko ni Sharon Dinda ani ya mwe kati wa mauvo ala tukumbanisi.
Ala tukumbanisye ne bamwena
Mupitokano wa mawoni kukonia kuongelewa kwa misala ya tongo yelasa kuwe kukosi wa musumbi ayenda ukunikilioto ayo kuwa zinyo itula muti serikali kwa itambia ye. Watani ya Azimio wa Kenya ya siya na itumimbia nusi ya musumbi kuivetanga kivilani kumana na uwani ulona kusi wa maandamanoni makuleana na finance bill. Munini wa musumbi Rigathi Gachagua kwenda amuika ama ungamye maandamano ala maendese kuvolisi itulwa muti kwa kulea kusiya wanangiko wa mali. Na mwi wa mundume wa ukuwa miaka 3 na mwanza ulote gwandi na utanena kuidiwa nyumbani imwe sokoni wa Tala kauntini ya Masako.
Bilingi wa mauvo. Nina udho changi tunengeoni wa kukwisila Facebook ni Mutongoi TV kana otuandike otumani mukuve kwisila ile itatu kenda imwe itano maoni maku kukonia mauvo maituki wiyoni cha umundi muvitokana wa maoni yulu wa wendekedio wa kuongelwa kwa misala ya atongo yelasa kuwe silikali ni wakusi wa kwe mudhenyani wa umundi vala hathukumi asakue kana masilikali kwisila nzama ya kulunga misala SRC kwe umundi ya wetakana ni kumongela musala President William Ruto ni wenda muvia wa kinandu huku nikile ingi kindini mwamulo kana ikanzeti ya mevile ya misala nzamani ya SRC na mwatongoi maangwataniyo ya Azimio wa Kenya ni matula muti silikali ya Kenya kwanza maiwata uota muvango wa kuvindo ilikosia NND kumaveta mesilia alame kumbili tendi ya Kenya na mwajumbe kauta mailiana na muvango uwa kuongelo misala libo chumanisho ni waboni motesea.
Dhino walivoti mwenye kumanza amani ya wandikanika na SRC ni kanalame muvangoni wa kuongelwa misala yo ni mewa mangavana ayumbe maseneta memba mabungesi ya kaundi tewa thukumiangi masilikali ya voni inspekta munene wa mavisa mavolisi minisa silikali nene na tethesi ya mo on the mavani wa kuongelwa misala yo kumanona ki President William Ruto numya mwamulo na kwenda muvea wa kinandu va Kenya ukunekilengi wendekethi ulawevo wa kuongela misala kuisila ikanzeti ya silikali ya matuku kenda mwini wa nyanya mwaka wa 2023 wa kuisila ingenza maneno ya SRC. Kavindani kau na sundongo ikumangalekoni yangu watano ya Azimio wa Kenya yikoswava nene muvango wa kuongela dhukumika na tongo imesala mawetakana silikali na kielelo cha uvindu ilikosia nende alama kunikita mwono mwondo kiwa dhukanyova Kenya.
We also note with concern the intention to divert the public attention from the real issues by purporting to adjust the salaries of senior state officers, members of parliament, members of county assemblies, and governors upwards at a time when the country's economy is not doing well. We urge our members to reject the salary increments. We call on all Kenyans to unite and defend the values of justice, democracy, and peace for which this country has been known. As a coalition, we are steadfast in our commitment to advancing the interests of every Kenyan citizen.
Matongo yuni ndongo ya chama cha Wepasini Kalonzo Musyoka imenda tongo yonde asa kuwe meyombanye kuleana na muvango yuwa kuongela misala mewetakana tiwa iluwa mwika makethi wa maleluni na silikali tenda kumedhukisa na kuweta maundu wangitaya.
This goes to all our governors, all our MCAs, right? Complete and total rejection. In fact, it's like kicking our youth on the teeth. When they have been shedding blood to have a better country, then you go and do the opposite.
Uwatiania na unena nyamu vyundhini wa bunge ya Senate vala maseneta makoswava nene muvango yoingi maiwetani watonye kanza maino ya ulunga misala ikethiwa na maundu maulusani kana kuingia nisi ya tongo hii.
It wants to increase the public discontent, Mr. Speaker, and SRC must be called out, Mr. Speaker. You remember when UHC colleagues, interns, we invited SRC here. They told us there is no money to increase for UHC doctors or JSS, but they are quick to increase money for us members of parliament to create discontent and fuel the country into discontentment of members of parliament, Mr. Speaker. SRC is abusing its own power by trying to set us against the public. And I'm happy a number of colleagues have responded to this blackmail, misleading, corruption by SRC, Mr. Speaker. And I also propose SRC must be disbanded.
Na maisa itikila na muvango yu wa kuongela kwa misala ndi ya Kenya tambito veto na madhina la mevo.
I want to call out the SRC led by Lynn Cherop Megich. You are completely out of order. Completely out of order. How dare you publish salary increments for public and state officers at such a time as this?
In all honesty, nobody asked for that increment. Nobody that I know. Personally, I never asked for that increment of 14,000 shillings. Tone deaf if we are going to insist that we get that increment this particular year or next year, when the economy is in the doldrums, when many Kenyans have nothing to put on the table. So I also support the proposal by members who have spoken before me that we formally resolve that we as the Senate are not interested in any additional salaries this particular financial year.
Amama yumbe maina tiluetina na imoneka maina na muvango yuwe muyumbe wa kilomge cha matungulu iwetakana maina na muvango na maina sawa iwetakana nimea kuenda ongelwa mesala ninza meno na kila maendezi ni kumaingia ni sena enendi kana kuwete ureti ute na utedhi ukula mai.
Tafadhali, Mheshimiwa Ruto na SRC akayuthauke ya Kenya kashere mwenda ukimanithia ayumbe na mwenendi mwefanya emu mongela misala ithiba imusala tunaitia na nyendio wenda na ndukatete tu mwaka ondini hapa nundu Kenyans maende na kuya na Kenyans meenda ona misala itu ireducewe na ngakulwa misala reducewe ni kana tutone andika alimu junior secondary school tutone iba matakitali na to make sure siana ila si university internship ni sia kwata opportunity ya ukoma serikalini. Hii ni siasa na twende twisi Ruto ni waite mwelekeo kwa uya kunia Kenya siasa na kuifanya eongela yumbe musala ithiba imusala tunemwitia na aeke kutuingia ni sia mwenembe.
Mutongo TV nyene toboni mutesia.
Tuisonga na mbena ke munini wa Musumbi na Olani Rigathi Gachagua ni omya wetano kuyene ndi methi wenangwata niona mayeki vyakana ni mathingati ya muguo na kutoisia maandamano matena ithoko na kau. Gachagua inena ni wakulia muika ala meyita Gen Z mae kanena ithoko na mayunga mya maandamano ala matwaisi ni watu la mute ingendile na ingeila siye kulika miatia nioni na muguo na kuete ithoko ayumi ukuli okula kwe enendi mevetangane na ikundi i nilivoti ya Keli na Musangi.
Kwa makofi mazuri.
Onene ya chathini cha mathiko ma mwitu yenye wake muku ya kauntini ya Laikipia. Munini wa Musumbi Rigathi Gachagua ni wakulia muika na alama yitite Gen Z. Maika nena miatiani ela yithita yukusi wanzini wasi umweli nzelu. Na vala yumiatiani ina kusia wanangeko wa mali ya mwenenzi ungi. Na vala ingi mavikita kwa sema dhai kumano na maandamano ama kuliana na usumbi wa William Ruto.
I want to, as a father, as a parent, to appeal to my children, my sons and daughters. Listen to us as your parents. I think if you agree, we want to plead with you to call off the protests so that criminals do not hijack them and engage in criminal activities. The president has already acceded to your plea to be heard, and you will be heard. But anytime now you call for protests, criminals with bad intent are hijacking and using that opportunity to loot, to steal, and to cause mayhem. As our children, you owe this country peace. Please consider, now that you have been heard, don't allow these criminals an opportunity to take advantage of what you had started in good faith with a message to the country, infiltrate and hijack and bring chaos to our beautiful country.
Rigathi ni wathingilila vata wa kwithwa na muo yingi oweta kana serikali ni yuwite mawandikithio ma mwenenzi polo weta tavema ngendile mosete vuso ya miatianio kwikone na mituo ya kwananga mali ya mwenenzi.
Our country faces difficult moments, and as a deputy president, as a leader of this country, I want to call for peace and calm. I want to say that this is our own country, we have no other country. And I want to ask the people of Kenya to make peace, observe peace, and keep away from violence. The young generation, Gen Z, as your father, my sons and daughters, we have heard you. You've spoken very clearly. The message is home. What you started as peaceful protests, unfortunately, have been infiltrated and hijacked by criminals with criminal intent, who are now engaged in looting and creating mayhem.
Unini wa musumbi ni waweta kana vena mivango ya kuthinikia mawendekithio ama muika na Kenya kwa vamwe walengi waweta kana alama indeno uluanduthi ni mekoso matambe mavema kimiao odhuthia muika akumi na maandamano ano kenda nzi ya Kenya yone muo.
Now that you have been heard, a mechanism is being worked on how the issues that you think needs to be addressed will be addressed. Once you call off your protests, then our security agencies will be in a position to deal firmly and decisively with criminals in accordance with the laws of this country. I want to ask our leaders, the way they have started here is a good beginning. Let's tone down. Let us bring down temperatures. Let us all build our country. We have only one country with one leader. Let us embark on peaceful coexistence among people so that we enjoy the fruits of our labor. A situation of chaos and mayhem is not conducive for people to carry on with their lives. That is my plea to all leaders in the country. It's my plea to our young generation. It's my plea to everybody to understand and appreciate that we don't have another Kenya, we only have one Kenya. And we all must do what we should to make sure that there's peace and harmony in the country so that we are able to lead a good life.
Ripoti ya Mlingo wa Maovo Nilina Musangi.
Nani musesi yetu ithi watu nengerelia maovu wangi makonetie maandamano otusongete nambe lakini kwa oyu mbetikilia tuelekele kuyanga likoni atala vala mwi wa mundume wa kuwa miaka 37 ulaumu wake ni nguni kuya mwingi kauntini ya Kitui wethi wa nyumbani mwe sokoni wa atala kuya matungulu kauntini ya Masaku kiokoni cha umundi kuya na munini wa Kivu wa kivalo cha Chaume Hansent Musembi ni kana mundume usu ndanena na ndewu andi na ukunikili wava kuvi kukoni ya kiku chake ni ambiwa ni maofisa mavolisi ala ingi maosamwi wake na mautoa nyumbani ya kusovea miyaku ya sivitali ni munene wa Kangundo level 4 nilivoti yake Boni Mutese.
Kuna na Kivu Chaume Hansent Musembi ni kana mundume uyu eonanyatai na mathina mamwe wake angi kwithota naye na utonyi wa kwiyelesekana kunena vai kule andu maumu wake thoni matonyethwa mamwisi moke mumandhila kana kuzise mwi wake isio neithi
kiokoni cha umundi ni nakwata report kana be mwana kiomo ikala plotini obatala withiwe atutia na ilano kawa ina kunea polisi tuoko namo na after kusisia documents yake tethe ya eitwa Mwangangi Muthui kuma mwingi ngune Kitui na nite ukulia ndabe andu mo nundu etwikana nena na itoko thukuma ya wo bundi wa mwako iti ukulia ndabe andu momentha mamwisi Mwangangi Muthui kuma Kitui ngune no makone report kana makasisia kwa assistant chief wa Chaume kana Kangundo mochari.
Ingi ya mama ene nthi maelesia vato kuvulana na kumanyanya kwa ene nthi sio ni kivathukanyo no kana kutethia ni sendeni wa maundu kivathukanyo lama mekumbela
na kindu ki njoka jethiwa na boka program ya mwanake omwe watutia plotini. So within circumstances andu angi ni male kwenda me through pass ugeza kwethia no kindu kino kigara no choneka no jethiwa lakini ndu joka jethiwa late hours. So ithie tawa natala intalenda ti kimwe at least sindu imwe cia muthembo ciethiwa ugetethia no ta kwata na kila mundu ugezethia chao esuarity ya mundu akwo at least wizethia na matha we ti wa kumwe we benefit na ticho kadiko no masimo ba iko no masimo mesieni. So sindu imwe cia muthembo mundu ona kimwe binafsi ni wale kwiyumilia akazi anthukuma ake na kana ni nthavana akatuma andu makwo at least makamana ni tala thukuma ya muna. That is simple and clear. Ugeza kwithia kila mundu wa mamai ona wiku amya kuana kuiku mama nekani winthavana bana at least wizethia kinu kiuma neka no dai mwe no wizethia ndo maneka musieba lakini we express ukazia nikala muji fulani. But that is simple.
Oingi makulia nende la mekwikala isio ni kuonyo masoko ni methwe na umundu na kuendea na utethia nisia na muno kuheta ila mama yamelwa ni maundu kiwathukanyo no kana kumatethesia kusa matambia.
Neti ukulia ene nthi wala meikala kuku soko wetho na mutui waku na ndunoti no ukwiwa nai na ndena mundu wa mutethesia nundu tamwangangi kala weka labda chicho kitumikila kitumie bata report wote ne enda we ona mutui waku ko nomba isi ikala cia soko ona ateigwa nesa no useo o uka report kula ku andumo nenda ndona andumo uka report yo kwa assistant chief kana polisi ukethia no wakwata utethesi
kaunti ya Masako nyeni Twaboni Mutisia.
Mitekiletu elekeleko ya kauntini ya Kitui mujumbe wa kiliombunge cha Mwingi ya Yulu Paul Nzengu ni wamekithisia enendi mangomano ila yesabu kauntini ya Chuso Mwingi ya Yulu kana maiku wa kumaithekanisyo itina wa kutoa isia miatianio ya mugo shumwani mbuthu mbitu kumailiana na itambia ya kunewa itheka kana mithenya miongo kenda maithe kimansta slingi ngili miongo ilina itano kila umweni kana kukwata miunda isu na ila methitu mayekala kuma mwakani wa ngili umwe mana kenda miongo nyanya na thandatu manengiwe itheka isu ni musumbi wa keli wa nthi ya Kenya mututia Daniel Moi. Nzenguni wamenda enendi asu maikaive ilovia isu na kwathana kana no kumanenga balua ma itheka isyo aiweta kana ofisa ula unengetwe wia wakwa ni itheka isu no kwithiwa ayose wa matambia mai makimia. Onesmus Chalo ni mwandiki wa mauvoo kuma kauntini ya Kitui.
Paul Nzengo muyumbe wa Mwingi ya Yulu wa kauntini ya Kitui wamekithisia enendi mangomano na arama nengwe kithekane musumbi wa keli wa nthi ya Kenya mututia Daniel Moi kwi mwaka wa 1993 na alama na atoese miatianio wiki muthu milala miketi na wakunengu mithenya miongo kenda maithe kimanda cha silingi ngili miongo lina itano kila umwana kana manengu mvalwa ma itheka isu nethewa mayibe ilovia isu maivetwa chavinyi ithekani isu muyumbe no awetakana no kwikithia enendi asu ni makwata mavalwa ma itheka isu aimenda mikatite kuiva ilovia ilama na akulito kuiva
mundu ula mweni wa kutilangania itheka onokio kutombosire no nendie kutishia andu mamita mizi maisha kumea kana makaiba ngili miongo lina itano na mbesa Yulu makaiba ngili miongo lina itano nikana manengo title mbona title cia musavani ziumie title cia mazungu ziumie na bai mundu waiva silingi ona ila maindi jauke ba mwingi na batu ikabe ana makwita silingi maana 5 na ndie na nena na minister wa lands ana na PS ana mwya pai title yaete kuma kwe basilingi one mundu aitha ni walikangale oka mwingi na aitha title yake na process we title yake man you isya metamisi ngwewa mundu no kiamya basilingi kwewa baimbe sikwewa na mundu nomwe wa metamisi lo mbithukizo ndakare tukwe basilingi na nyenguthi muzukume ya title zenyu chuki
Nzengo iweta kana kio cha enendi ane kimovikite balo kuweta kana themo ma enendi mometu nthini wa list ya kukwata itheka isu na kwikwa masitwa ma andu angi kula weta kana no kwate no kana amanye ala mekitwe nthini wa list ya kukwata itheka isu ni au na kwithia kitheka kine cha serikali
benge wasikuma kana masitwa amwe na maendie matilola kumbe na matungwa mapetangwa andu angi mekiwa katika mvango la wethia wibo wa serikali andwala methwa me within settlement area nimu manenga priority yambe makwalokitwa itheka kila mundu ona wethe mundu na ciana ciake ona kila kana konengwe kitheka na itheka icio itilangitwa eke 10 kou ethabe undu wa muthemba ucio tonye kwithia wekikie no kethabe mazitwa maumizo mekiwa mandu angi nundu itina wa andu ala meria manengwe itheka icio nundu nikitheka kiunanga na serikali kwa kitumikia kutetheria andu ameke ukulima kana meke undu tonye kwete faida kwa serikali mamina kunengane ile itheka tonye kwithia si yulu ano ni ma-apply ya mundu akwaze ingwa na kwengwa na kuthikuima kana ingwa na kwithia ku na andu ingi mundu no apply mu Kenya yoyote bora a convince serikali kana no kuthi utumia kitheka kiu ni kana kiete faida kwa serikali
na wiyo vonse ngoiwete kana afisa lo nenge to ya kutilange theka isu cia NND no na meki engilo ya kwithilo via vala wete kana no kumose matambi agenda ato SSSO yu ate kwetia NND ilovia vala wakule NND namo maikatete kwiva ilovia isum
yubu mwikatete kwiva na mwakulo maze mweshimwa hize tuikwiva nundu kitumi kawaida kala kaita kwithia wethia no nengwe kazi ya 10 ilo ka twika no thoeze mundu ngi yuni wo kaiba ngili 25 nundu wa kuzovezo malelu kwa naolondo scheme sesovazo uwezi scheme ene kwa anu maekwelo kana scheme bingi zida katika bakvina town ene scheme yekithekani na scheme ya izovazo mpaka ikazolwa lelu ikazolwa towni ikazolwa mpaka maskulu na mazibitali kuithe kezi zonse za public ni tengeto katika scheme hiyo yake ya metamezi kunenda kwa anu metamezi baisi lingi mundu onomu waita kwa lingi onomu na zinduzi mukuanga imoto mwa paybill mundu ucio kurabosire ningu mukonia simu nimwe au kagua mwe kaibe na wetha tu ni mulungi ba ni dikole ile kwa CS nimwe mundu ucio ikie kwete confusion katika andu ametha mena mugo no kakumatho kwa
ketheka kine cha kilomita ili na kila enende ama nengwe ni musumbi wa kelo ande ya Kenya ngotutia moi kwa mwaka wa 1983 kuma kwe katline ya weki thuki kwesila musavani muvaka kwa masungwane ila siye mwengi ya yolum tede vote bingwa muvomo Tongo TV kuma kaunti ya Kitui nito Onesmus Chalo
Nende muve mwana mundu Onesmus Chalo mwandiki wa movo kuma kwa kaunti ya Kitui livoti su yake yidhiwe tuandini wa udhiumo witu wambe tuisio kadhia tuidhiwa na mavuangi wakadivasa
ona utambite kusiawa ngaini wakwese na akamanya une waku na nicho kitumi kwithiawa na inengo
nenda kukethia na ndio thocha ndeni wa kilungu cha inengo wa katano wa umundi
ukakeia kabwau
uuni mwiyo mundu wiyaikasia we mwene wayethia wachambaiche kana kuatuthi na kwauwa mwiyo ti kindu kilaisi uyisa kumila ubingisana nawo na kukima makuthu nginyoke kulia kone kwatanisie na ikombendi
munondo nake mzee by the end enda ngewaisi ya sola saingi noka akethia badala ya kusoma na watoto ni kusola
lakini ni wao kindu geni sikuma tondu nende nyeta mundu nende tori wathini muno nende tena kibiri chako nikini alao ya
usioni kana ikomba ya neneba itwika kimbalutia kindu chana kebyo kinengo kiukinyithasia kundu kutonya kuvikwa ni andu mautala obamwe na kukwalanilia mesa na nene
mwalimu wa Max hapa ni wapi
lanu kiye motongoi
no tundongotani ganga kwa raha zangu
kamwele kaka nini vitu niko kena akili ino yansindisio mbetu kuona va
nekalanzi mwalimu endene iwe nabweka ngwamvio musoni embosa emboa
inengo sio mbeitu ava
kinengo nikiete mundu nguma na kukwambatia kimikalile komana na Salshabeti Wambua kilungune cha inengo kila wakatano kwambe ya saile na ndatika miongo ena sia wiyo tutetheanisie kumilia na kutambua inengo kivathukanio niva Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba ubanga uisanda indi ndwaya wa kulume ubanga ni wisi kwicha mistali no wiche nginya ukeyuma wime kwicha ndwana ni undumwe na kukwatia ni undungi
nithe tune single 300 na kwenda single 300 mundume pethina
masito nitoa Faith Mwende
we single ni kalito 300 ni single tele si 300 lakini 300 kote mingi kwa mundume single
300 na no manda omuntu ni manda mundu tuto no share siendo kwa mundo genuine mundo trustworthy
aume namo komata wiwie ni otuma fair ukaiwa akanamo komata liketwe kilasi ne cha character development
ndaka mesu yesu ida wambitese kota nenda zinuka
Gwete senda kame kwani kwa yeke ya mindoni
kana ile uwe na kola
kwaondoka ni kula sio kwa kilende kwa hii mbesa si yako hii
wesa kukwatithia mundu kwendete thayune cha wocha ndwaima ni undu wibinya muno kwatiania na Peter Mutuse wa Maunda
Gethomba isapota baby isitola mwitana muno mutane indi twenda kuonenge buso tukwete mundu mutako mana ingi maishane
kila wakatano kwambia saa 12 na ndateka miongo ina cia iya mawiyo kilungu ni cha mbenzi wiyone au memesi kubindota na aka mesi kubandwa ni ba Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba mbenzi tene uyaila isi kuona usimungalu andu mabanda makesa uketha mbua hiyo kuo kwa wingi
ni maundu mebala tutonya kwikatwa kwata kiu cha kwimando
pe maundu maingi wa mbea ula wila isi pe tutila twenza wa moko
maliu alameka nesa ukamba yu ona maimi na mbua imwe kasila katwa sete keisa utungokelia ba kana tuika ile u ithimba ya imi
thina yu wawitha ne kuestablish kana ciambo kwata lakini ona cia kwata yu ukaokethia ni cia twamiiba sana kuma kwina thina muno
bumango ni cio ndu ndinzo ni fiber ni ndinzo ila uye ni mbali cio na ni moyo muno yembe yake ita wa Kent na ukaokethia ni nene na wiye ukethia wala ni mwene weania lakini yu ndinwa ya Apple niweza ama yinu no thina moyo
ithi ala twikwata cia wimi tanzia nene ya kumanda ilobia yoe petele ibinda ya ile kana twithike ndinwa wimi wake umundi tukuthuke na ikinya leo ya nema
kutacho ndaba ndo imwe ninyo
ni kwata at least lump sum ukethia weze kana kiucha thina maana monza kana chedi na maana tatu en
kimo
ndukiana
kimo without utono utata mbesa na
list ni maana tatu kungayana depending on wito wacho
lakini ila nenukie nyenuru nayo wiani ila nenukie ninethiwe na masama usija ciendo ciakwa etha ni ng'ombe inengi weli unesa iya yumiata
niwe ukuamua nundu uu ni wasia wa muimi ni kila wakatatu kwambia saile na ndateka miongo ina cia wiyo winake Steven Mwema ba Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Dial *811*464# to get Proverbs 3 verse 5 as your skiza tune.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him and he will make all your paths straight. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and shun evil. This will bring health to your body and nourishment to your bones. Amen.
Dial *811*464# to get Proverbs 3 verse 5 as your skiza.
Nina udhocha ingi nthini wa mesa itu ya vilingi wa mavoto isonga na mbeni kana makundi ma kutetea haki cia mwenende kauntini ya Mombasa ni matula mutima ofisa ma polisi kwa kulea kusia mali ya mwenende iyana ngwane ingendile kavindani kama andamano ma amuika muthenyani wa iyo makundiani maweta kana maofisa ma polisi ni mailite ithi wa mustali ni wambe kuikithia kana usesei wa mwenende ni wianiwe ovamwe na kusia mali ya enende nikavikie kwa nangwa Angelina Musemu andikitwa mavoku ma kauntini ya Mombasa na mavoku kwa uliku.
Mainene asivitali ni munene wa Coast General Makundi ama Tongo ni mwene kivila Zedekia Adika kavindani kalame vikite kuikia ukuni kiliandu ala maende na kukwata uiti sivitali ni ni mumania vanene siko siya maofisa ama volisi va Mombasa kui muthenyani wa iyo kwa kukusia mali ya enendi iyanangwa ni ngentile na ila inalikililie maandamano ma amoika.
They follow the court order so that they do not use excess force. But that does not amount to inaction. So what we saw yesterday, we think they took a backseat
but they need to take their place and ensure that rogue elements within the demonstration are taken out, so that whoever is demonstrating is peaceful and they are not interfered with.
Nimawetikana ni undu wa kumacha kuona volisi ite kukwatia kumasesi ya enendi na mali yo ovama na kulia kuatia mwamulo wako tuwa kutumia nzeve ya tear gas na vinya kuvalanya maandamano.
Polisi wa Mombasa walizembea na walifanya kusudi. Hii ni kama ambaye kuna revenge kwa tuliambiwa na koti tusitumie matia gesi, tusitumie mabastola. Sasa watu wakiiba wacha tuangalie Kiwarambe. Polisi sisi kama shirika la Muhuri hususan tunaenda kushtaki polisi for inaction.
Kavindani kau Peter Kiama na ule ni director ikundi ya kietu niwa wetakana kila mwenendhia na udhasi wa kuandamana Kavindani kala serikali itae kumwedhu kisi haikulia maofisa ama volisi kuweka kutumia vinya kuvalanya maandamano indi medhi wa mustali ni wambe kumandha ingendile ila ikulikilila maandamano
Tunaona kwamba kuna uwezekano kwamba kuna wale ambao wamepanga vijana walete picha mbaya katika maandamano haya, na ni jukumu la maafisa wa polisi kuweza kufuatilia, hasa wakitumia upelelezi, sio kutumia nguvu. Wanaweza kujua mipango imepangwa na nani na waweze kuzuia.
Vindani kaunu umani avanene oneni wa President William Ruto wa kuwetakana kumailo alikio tongo ini vai mwenendi wa vikia kuwa wani volisi ya mwenda vikie kuitia uwekio ni uneni uni kuidhua mena livoti na namba ya enendi ala mawa utoni maovisa ama volisi.
We want to tell him that there are many cases documented from last year, especially during the demonstrations last year, as well as the demonstration the last 2 weeks, of extrajudicial executions. As you are aware, extrajudicial executions refer to all killings by state agencies outside the law that are neither justified, nor proportional, nor legal. We have seen so many instances of those kind of cases. The numbers are there. Let the president stop lying to the nation that his government has not been involved in extrajudicial executions.
Ona uyevo mwiwa Joash Ombati na ula ni kati wandu atatu na alama na atiwe ni dhayu dhini wa maandamano mavitu ni weki wa udhenzi sivitali ni uwa Coast General vala livoti ya ndakitali ikuwa na nyakana anakuye ni kuumeswa ni isasi vala mosi wake waende na kuika ila haki ni kumbana na kiuku cha mwana wo.
DCI tumeweza kufanya upasuaji wa Joash Ombati ambaye alipigwa katika maandamano, alipigwa risasi wakati ule wa maandamano ya tarehe 25 ambayo yalikuwa maandamano ya amani, na kulingana na upasuaji Joash alikufa kwa kupigwa risasi, na risasi hiyo ilimpiga katika sehemu ya kiunoni na ikaweza kupanda mpaka ikapasua liver, ikapasua pia lungs na ikafika paka kwa shoulder.
Ndio nimekuja leo upasuaji wa mtoto wangu Joash Ombati, na nimeangalia, nimeona, nimepata ukweli. Mtoto wangu aliuliwa kwa kupigwa risasi la nyuma na likatembea mpaka kwa mwili mpaka likapatikana karibu na kifua. Naona ni haki imetendeka, na hao maaskari ambao mwenye alitenda hao sasa wacha ukweli upatikane.
Gilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni tawa Angelina Mose.
Tuisonga na ambe na muma kundi makuthinikia maundu malelo ni maumilia makulio maingi na ndi ni kukonia mulati wa NTSA na ulame wetakana ni vaite kimansta shilingi bilioni 1.5 ili na ili makundia nimekwenda muvya wa kuweka ukuni kilivandi ya Kenya DCI likilile kati na kutoa isi ukuni kilikudhunyuma vala ilovia siaite vala amewetakana ni ilovila siavadhitwe kunenganwe mulati ni wa digital license kana license ya matuko ona uyo vo nimekwenda athukumima NTSA mavikie kuthiwa maitho imova mwena muvya ukuvunzwa.
Auditor General. I think we had reported this even to EACC. We reported, and I think if EACC did the right time, that time we reported, Kenyans would not have lost the 1.2 billion. So I'm saying it very clear. And I said that time, EACC have been working with NTSA. They are compromised. There is nothing they can do. Bwana DG, NTSA compromised EACC, and we said this. We know the game he has been playing. sending the EACC officers to arrest police officers, traffic police officers, who are collecting 50 shillings while he's collecting billions of shillings for inspection. And that is where we have so many accidents in our country. I think we have discussed this. We have said it since this government took over. They have done nothing. We have tried to report. We have gone to EACC. There is nothing which is happening. It is just corruption everywhere. Stealing everywhere. A watch, 4 million on his hand. He can afford a shirt worth 200,000 Kenya shillings while Kenyans are sleeping, going hungry. You are sacrificing Kenyans people on our roads because you have never even said a word after all these accidents. Even when our children, KU children died, the university children, the president never said a word. They are losing a lot. You can imagine how much we are losing every year through these accidents. You can imagine, even the government itself is losing a lot of money. Insurance companies, all of them are collapsing because it is extremely too much. There is no an insurance company which can survive in this country with the rate of the accidents happening in this country. We have recorded more deaths, more than any other time. We have lost over 4,000 Kenyans from January to this time. And these are lives. And we are talking about lives. We are talking about lives which are lost, and the president doesn't care. So if the president doesn't care, what will CS Murkomen do? So we are telling the president, if you want us to see you are working, first of all, sack Murkomen and his DG, Mr. George Njau.
Nendiliboti yesu kukoni ya movea wa NTSA yetuandine wa audio mwawitu wa kelini tusioke detingi.
Mundu losa kuwa yembe timwini. Mundu awiyane ona wa munenga yembe yeba emanyula nayo uone tabe musina kana itinga yesi lapo. Usu ni mundu wesi nesa kana umandhi ndui chenga. Maundu mesi tekweta na nonginya mundu akalio kana ebinda.
Kindu taki kenda passion.
Passion.
Kenda passion. Alafu sainge talanta.
Imbunde yasia mundu. Na ni mubunde yasiata. Mostly nyando alangu ata amaki withia ni so green yani mainoman. So ni nende ya from mundu lo tena. Utena kosi ingi kana mundu tekitoke thene na mubunde sia kuma. Mundu na ketha hena wendi.
Kondo kwekethia ni wakwata cha kuitweta. Obamwe na kuiba maelo. Kila twaile kumanya ni kana vaiwea utewa kwiyonea. Edhiwani weta evaita. Iki ya vitivyo maundoni maku.
Wambe otu mangomboka. Kwata.
Yujutu ebuti bonenge nonye uyosu inyako ndete na gono uya maseo. Wanienda kikomba. Kainga uomboka. Kuma binanyi.
Kilobi.
Kilobi. Maluga la matemange ngoko ngasui yana. Amobe ya by that time toba onengolo engolo.
Ala matemange ni meba.
Tumeta katakata. Fluency kana eka komwene kila kenda akeke. For example nyina pushiwe nano. Kweka procurement. Lakini baadaye nesio end kwida ni baba.
Na nduketikele kutulia ngoni ando. Mwe wisi wala umete na kula wendete. Wea ni wea. Komana nake Steven Mwema kilunguni cha wea ni wea. Kila wakana kwa mbeya saa 12 na nateka miongo ena. Va Mutongoi TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Musese witu mwendwa, Mutongoi TV ni avwila ukambani na ya kwata nzeve ya luma. Na watu mevusa ye kufikia mamilioni ma ando alama tosia isi ya kila muthenya kwa kutangasa vya viasala waku kana kumanethia alame vasa ila mwendo waku watutia kwisila imanethia sia iku. Kwa mavuombe yange, tufikia kwisila nambani ya simu noti imwe ina kenda ile na itatu mwonza kana ututume email kwisila sales@mutongoitv.co.ke. Mutongoi TV ni yongwatanio ya Mukamba. Tukwatane twaile viasala situ.
Mwaka ni wangilile na miongole nemwe netwambiye savale ya kwete ubinduku. Savale ya kwaili ya kisio. Kuwete vinya andone na kumanenge wasya.
Maboyu itikwata nesa ko isesene kecha Mutongoi TV. Twazio kiobo mundu nikikamba na ithe tuyakamba. na nundu content yonthe la ikwendeka kwimanika ni mwenendi Mutongo TV ni aliula nekatwake kakele mpaka baya mashinani. Mutongo TV
kululumilia ngwatanio nundu umwe ni binya.
Ni Toboni Mutesia,
Daniela Mwonkela,
Ben Mwasau,
Benjamin Mwaka,
Angelina Mose,
Ken Molinge,
Caleb Chalo,
Onesmus Chalo,
Lina Mosangi.
Mutongo TV na Mutongo FM, ngwatanio ya Mukamba. Tene uyaila isi kuona usimungalu. Andu mabanda makesa uketha mbua hiyo kwa wingi.
Ni maundu mebala tutonya kwikatwa kwata kiu cha kwimando.
Pe maundu maingi wa mbea ula wila isi pe tutila twenza wa moko.
Maliu alameka nesa ukamba yu ona maimi na mbua imwe kasila katwa sete keisa utungokelia ba kana tuika ile u ithimba ya imi.
Thina yu wawitha ne ku-establish kana ciambo kwata, lakini ona cia kwata yu ukaokethia ni ciatwa miiba sana kuma kwina thina muno.
Bumango ni ciondu ndinzo ri fiber ri ndinzo ila uya ri mbali cio na ri moyo muno yembe yake ri tawa Kent na ukaokethia ni nene na wiye ukethia wala ri mwene weania lakini yu ndinwa ya Apple niweza ama inginu no ri na moyo
ithi ala twikwata cia wimi tanzia nene ya kumanda ilobia yoe petele ibinda ya ile kana tuithike ndinwa wimi wake umundi tukuthuke na ikinya leo ya nema
kutacho nda bandu baimwe munyo
Ni kwata at least lump sum. Ukethia weze kana kiucha thina maana monza kana chedi na maana tatu en
Kimu without no tata mbese na
list ni maana tatu kungayana depending on wito wacho.
Lakini ila nenukie nyenuru nayo wiani ila nenukie ninethiwe na masama usija ciendu ciakwa etha ni ng'ombe inengiwe liu nesa iya yumiata
niwe ukuamua nundu uu ni wasia wa muimi ni kila wakatatu kwambia saile na ndatika miongo ena cia wiyo winake Steven Mwema pa Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Dial *811*290# to get Psalms 29 verse 11 as your skiza tune.
Psalms chapter 29 verse 11. The Lord gives strength to his people, and the Lord blesses his people with peace. Amen.
Dial *811*290# to get Psalms 29 verse 11 as your skiza tune.
Nothing should come in the way of how you enjoy the game. So Ukibet, bet responsibly. Bet na amount unaweza afford. If you need help, speak to a counselor today. Call 0800 724 835.
Kalibu ngende wa vilingi wa maovo mbetikileo yu tusioke livoti ni kunengelele kanani kutavitia kanetu diwa tusioke ya maovo makoneti ya miatianio. Balangu atanio ya ulei azimio wa Kenya ni yaende ya kudhingilela vena itumimbianusi ya President William Ruto kuivetanga kivilani kumana na uwani ulahuna kusiwa maandamanoni makuliana na finance bill chumwa kivetuku na ama oyumande makuliana na usumbi wake mutongoyo wa chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ni waweta kana silikali ya kwa saa samokula kwe mwenendi vayingwa ondo onge ateo kwivetanga kivilani valawa kule President William Ruto habiki kwithiwa aikalata kwikia sai ya mweo wa IBC nokana kunengane mwanya wa unyuvi wa makomishna meu manzama Benjamin Mwaka kumusini wa Ilovina Mavoaso.
Musukumo wa kumwenda President William Ruto hevetanga kuma kivelani kumana na undu silikali inaongamia maandamano ma mwika wa njensi chumwa kivetu niwende kuongeleka vina kila muthena watanio ya azimio dhiweta President Ruto ndeza kuivadhulana na ikusia amwika nthino wa maandamano hano naona kuvaluka kwa mutatala wake wakinandua mwaka ngila miongwe na ina niwana nyuwe udheine ine silikali aise mwikio na musamo teneview methoni ma NNB.
According to the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, local and international media, the police executed a shoot-to-kill order that extinguished 41 young Kenyan promising lives, with over 300 Kenyans admitted to hospitals with gunshot wounds. It is time for Ruto to take responsibility for all his actions. He has blood on his hands, and he should go to allow for a smooth transition of power. Kenyans have had enough of Ruto and are demanding that #Ruto must go today, not tomorrow.
Ndino wakikalo na andikima mauvongo atanio ine okilia makulio manene hiulo esezo yonyuvi wa makomishona manza ma kungamio nyuvani ya IEBC kwithwa thiende kwikusia honetino wa mwao kwithwa vitu kithuwe mbungeni wala menda President Ruto akalile kuikia saino kanese sodhi ambesie na mituke.
Azimio demands that the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission Amendment Bill 2024 be immediately signed into law. We are aware that this bill has been sitting on Ruto's desk for days now, and the Kenya Kwanza dictatorship is reluctant to sign it into law. As a coalition, we call out to Ruto and demand that he assent to this essential bill that allows citizens to hold their representatives in the legislature accountable. By the way, the Constitution says if you want to withdraw your member of parliament, you have to wait for 2 years, and 2 years are coming to an end on the 9th of August. So really this is timely.
Indono uwevo ndino wakikalo kimwana cha Senate kukonya maundu hala maendeo yuma senator ni makuli inspector mweno wa volisi Jafet Kome atiye wea kumana na mwavalu kuma volisi utongo inu wake na itambi yake ya kuende ya kuvindie vindani na endima ende kwa siya madhayu na wanange kwa mali uende ukusiwa maandamanoni ama oyum.
Talking about incompetence and lack of capacity, the Inspector General of Police is the embodiment of lack of capacity to lead the Kenya Police Service. Mr. Kome must leave office immediately for this country to enjoy peace and tranquility.
Naku kwe uni maandamano ama dhikuatuwa kuendea ndongoi ya ODM Raila Odinga ni umiokanyo munene kwa serikali ithuwe ngunu savali kusiyasiye kusio ngei na usangili ili kwa miatianioni Raila heweta maandamano ama BNS kwa muo ati oyuni malikele ilo ni mboleli na mangendile na kutuma NND bamwena atandile inge maitala wasio munene ituna mavia salamo kutulwa kindu kilo kwenda kiunga mwene serikali na mituke. Vilingo wa mauvo kumava kauntine ya Ilovi nye nita wa Benjamin Mwaka.
Nende tusiokethia kwake Angelina Musenge nende kisioni cha Mwamlai sub county ya Jomvu county ya Mombasa nimekuya haki tina wamuthi umwe kisioni kiu kwa mbisia kwa ukuta nziani vala ukuta oho kusiyangali kulika kisioni kiu mwiweta kanani muisu munene kula kwi mathayu ma enende eriwambanga kisioni kiu ni tona ukiteka enende ani maweta kanani metekilanile kana mekalite kisioni kiu kwa kilungu cha miaka 25 na miaka yonde ila itwa ya kisioni kiu ni vadhanzia ende muthui ni wemie vyo kwithiwa yati ya meo valame ukule silikali kwesila muyumbe wa kilio mbunge kiu na ulani Badi Twalib halikilile katina kumetana. Angelina Muse niwe wina mauvo.
Ene nthima kisioki cha Mwamlai na ila sub county ya Jomvu ni wakuweta kana itambea kitonga ki kwa kaukuta kisioni ki na kila ene nthi methitwa maikitumia tanzia ti welu ni kwithwa ni makusiya maundu manda mbuka kisioni ki.
Hii kijiji tumekaa ni zaidi ya miaka 25 sasa. Tulikuwa tunapita pira shida na shangaa leo bwenyenye anakuja na sipia njia, watoto wetu hatujui wanaenda shule vipi, matiri hatuja leta ya kujenga, tunashindwa sasa. Tuna usuni, ndio maana tumekusanyika hapa asubuhi ya hii ulimwengu ujue kwamba sisi tunadhulumiwa na mabwenyenye. Kwa hivyo tunaomba wahisani waingililie, wabunge, MCA wote, mpaka kama itawezekana rais ajue sisi hapa chini tunanyanyaswa na matajiri.
Enendi ana ala meono dhatu mwingi muno ni meka ila serikali kulikilila katina kumeta na kitonga kini kwithiwa kavindani kala vakitika mbanga maitonya utetheka ni kwithiwa ngali siilika kisioni ki.
Roho yangu inaumwa, wametuziba na ukuta. Mimi mwenyewe nikitaka kwenda hospitali na mtoto wangu sina njia. Kitu nyingine hatuwezi kupata maji kwa huu mtaa, tunategemea maji ya magari. Wengine tumefungua maduka zetu, sasa hata hatujui vitu zetu vitapita na wapi. Yani tuna machungu. Tunaomba tu mtu mwenye anaweza kutusaidia ajitokezee, aje atusaidie.
Huu mtaa tunafungiwa njia. Watu maelfu wako ile ngambo ingine. Watoto wanaenda shule. Sijui wakifunga hii njia, na hii njia ni haki. Juu walikuwa hata hawajengi. Wametuangalia wakona sisi ni wanyonge, sasa ndo wanatufungia njia.
Ni mawetekana ni mekalite kisioni ki kwa kilungu cha miaka 25 na ndu onthe matoisi ya miaka kisioni ki ni matianzi ya indi kitonga ki ni kilete kumethukisya vala menda kivikie kuosewa matambia makimia.
Tafadhali na waomba sana hii swara watu walichukulie kwa serious, wawe serious nayo ndio sisi tupate kusaidika hapa. Wananchi na waomba mtulie, watu waingilie waongee hii maneno mpaka tupate njia.
Hivyo mahali popote bosi uliko tunaaomba ujitokeze, ukuje utuambie tutaruka na juu ama tutapita na wapi wakati unatufungia njia.
Tafadhali na waomba sana hii swara watu walichukulie kwa serious, wawe serious nayo ndio sisi tupate kusaidika hapa. Wananchi na waomba mtulie, watu waingilie waongee hii maneno mpaka tupate.
Gilivotea vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni tawa Angelina Mose.
Ndini wa mesa ito ya madhao ni kana timu wa Emerging Stars ni masindi ya madhao maako safa mwakane u wangilile miongweli na ina itina wa kutandika timu wa Zimbabwe mbao ile kwa vadhei kiwanzani cha madhao cha Isaac Wolfson kila kana stadium.
Just like last Thursday, they are in the mood to deal with that Zimbabwean attacking threat. Benson Ochieng. Ochieng is through on goal. That's number 2 for Kenya. That's the goal that might send them through to the COSAFA Cup semi-finals for the very first time in their history. It is a massive goal. One that started all the way back in the hands of Omondi.
We had a very difficult first half because of the wind. The wind was going against us, so we were finding it tough to pass the through balls to our striker. Then coming into second half, we knew the wind is going on our side, so we had to push so that we can get the 2 goals. We on the first half, we knew that the defense is stepping up high, so we came second half trying to put the balls behind them. Yeah, so we saw the first half how it was, so second half we came to give the long balls to, behind them, so we managed to get a goal through it. Honestly, we did not expect that. We were so disappointed on the first half, but we came up on the second half with more effort. That really helped us.
I think, first of all, let me commend my boys. They did a good job. Despite the condition, it was too windy. It was not easy to play football. And then the other thing was the first half, we knew like if you can contain them because of this side, the wind was blowing a lot. So we knew in the second half we'll hit them because they were not very good in defending high balls. So that is, we capitalized on that one. We were hitting the high balls and then coming for the second ball and then we punished them. I think we were not stringing, our passes are not done well. And then the other thing, we lacked a leader. In the first half, we were like, everybody was quiet. And then we had a chat at halftime. And then we told them, we need to be leaders, all of us. We need to talk, and then it should be positive talk, not just talking. So that is, I think, is the other thing that worked for us in the second half. These guys are young, so they need to be like pushed up to the end. They are not like the professionals who you just sit and then let them do the job because you've done your work in training. But these ones, we had to push them, and that it worked at the end of the day. The first thing, when we came into this tournament, it was just to try and unearth new talents who will graduate to the senior team. And at least I think I'm happy so far because we've seen some players performing well. And then in this tournament, the organization is superb. Everything is superb. There's nothing to complain about.
Nende muthiandini wa mathao ma UEFA Euro ni kana timu andi ya Netherlands na Turkey ni kile quarter finals ya mathao ma Euro mwakani wa 2024 alama toa ya Germany na ndi